Namaste. I welcome every one of you to learn Hindi through English and Tamil. Our spoken Hindi YouTube channel. Today we are going to see the simple sentence formation. Formation of simple sentence using pronoun and root verb. And we are in the continuous videos of making sentence. In the last few videos we have seen how to use may in simple present tense and how to use are in simple present tense. Today, the continuation we are going to see how we have to use hum. Hum means we in English. Hum in Hindi in simple present tense. It is like the same video like the last video. Let us go into the video. The usage of hum. We say in Hindi hum, which is in English we. We means we all together. Plural. First person. In simple present tense we are seeing. The same formula is being used here also, like we have used for are. PN, that is pronoun plus root verb plus masculine means te, feminine means t, and hind. Hind is the conclusion. In the last few videos we have seen 10 verbs. Today we are going to see other 10 verbs, so that these 10 verbs also will be familiar to you. That is lick. Lick is write. Lick, write. Pad, read. Pad, read. Bowl, speak. Bowl, speak. Pada, teach. Pada, teach. Lick, write. Pad, read. Chal, walk. Dekh, see. Kar, kar is do. Do. Daud is run. Samaj is understand. Samaj is understand. Khel is play. Pada is teach. And the bowl is speak. We are in simple present tense. That is, we read, we write, we read, we walk, we see, we do, we run, we understand, we play, we teach, we speak. These are the 10 verbs I am going to use now. See, the formula is pronoun, that is hum, plus root verb. First I have taken the root verb a. A has come from ana, where the na is removed. In English to has been removed, and in Hindi or in Tamil varudal, where dal has been removed. So va is there, come is there, and a is there. So a, masculine same, te, feminine ti. Any one only you have to use, both you are not supposed to use. Masculine means ate, feminine means ati. Then conclusion is hind. Hind, it is because of plural. It is plural, so hind we have to use. Let us see hum, first verb lick. Hum lickte hain. I am a masculine person, so we are all together. Masculine means hum lickte hain. Even all are feminine, all are ladies are there, and myself alone the gent. Even then I have to say te only. Te is for majority. For example, there are 100 male persons are there. Then I have to say hum likhte hain. Okay. If all the feminine are there, all the 100 person including me is feminine, then I have to say hum likhti hain. Likhti hain. If one person is masculine, male, and other 99 persons are feminine, female, even then we have to give priority to masculine only. So it is also te only. So one condition. If only ladies are there, then you have to say hum likhti hain, hum padhti hain, hum dekhti hain, hum aati hain, hum jati hain, hum kaati hain, hum peeti hain, hum soti hain, hum baithti hain, hum uthti hain. Even there is a male, one person is also there, means there you are not to say hum likhti hain. We have to say, you have to say, all of us have to say hum likhte hain. So it is very easy. Even if it is a single male is there, then you make it likhte. If everybody is feminine only, you have to use, then only you have to use लिखती. Okay, so just by blind, okay, without seeing also you can say हम लिखते हैं, हम खाते हैं, because at least one person will be there in the group, right? Right. Exclusively women are there, then it will be लिखती. Okay. हम next one पढ़ते हैं. If I am masculine, हम पढ़ते हैं. We all are feminine only पढ़ती. If a single person is masculine in among 1900, that is पढ़ते only. You have to say पढ़ते. Feminine means पढ़ती. Next चल, we walk. We walk. हम चलते हैं. हम चलते हैं. Masculine is हम चलते हैं. What is feminine? हाँ, good. हम चलती हैं. Okay. If all together masculine and feminine, yes, हम चलते हैं. Only we are all of us are ladies. Then only हम चलती हैं. Okay, clear? Right. Next one comes a deck. Deck means see, watch. हम देखते हैं. We see. हम सिनेमा देखते हैं. हम टेम्पल टावर देखते हैं. हम कॉमेडी शो देखते हैं. Something. Deck means watch. Feminine only. Then देखती हैं. Then कर, do. I do, you do, we do. And that is हम करते हैं. हम करते हैं. हम करते हैं. Next comes दौड़. दौड़ means run. हम दौड़ते हैं. हम क्या करते हैं? We are all we run. दौड़. Not supposed to say we are running. Then it will be continuous. No need. We are in simple present tense only. Say we have to say we run. हम दौड़ते हैं. If all together feminine, हम दौड़ती हैं. Okay. So 4 more verbs are there. Once again I write this and I write here. Okay. First let me write this one. लिख. Then I will write पढ़. Then I will write चल. Then I will write देख. Okay. Right. Now what we have to write? समझ. समझ means understand. I understand, you understand, we understand. So समझ. What you have to say? हम समझते हैं. हम समझते हैं. We understand. हम भारत के बारे में समझते हैं. We understand about India. Next समझ. Okay. Next खेल. We play cricket. हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. खेल. You have to say खेल. हम खेलते हैं. Next comes पढ़ा. पढ़ा means teaching. Padi is reading. Pada is teaching. How to do? Pada. That's all. Pada. हम पढ़ाते हैं. We teach. Say this is पढ़ाना verb. When you remove na, to teach, to you are removing. Karpital, tal you are removing. So remaining is pada. This pada is what? Written here. Right. The next one is bowl. Next one is bowl. What is bowl? Bowl means speak. Bolo. People are telling bolo, bolo. Right? Bolo means speak. Okay. मैं बोलता हूँ. आप बोलते हैं. हम बोलते हैं. Feminine means हम बोलती हैं. What you have to do? बोल. हम बोलते हैं. We are all masculine. हम बोलते हैं. We are masculine as well as feminine. हम बोलते हैं. We are only feminine. हम बोलती हैं. So here I have given all these 10 words which I have made the sentences, and this is the way you have to make sentences. Okay. So here we have seen 20 sentences. How it is 20? Masculine sentence 10, feminine sentence 10. For example, लिख. हम लिखते हैं. Feminine हम लिखती हैं. हम पढ़ते हैं. हम पढ़ती हैं. हम चलते हैं. हम चलती हैं. हम देखते हैं. हम देखती हैं. हम करते हैं. हम करती हैं. हम दौड़ते हैं. हम दौड़ती हैं. हम समझते हैं. हम समझती हैं. हम खेलते हैं. हम खेलती हैं. हम पढ़ाते हैं. हम पढ़ाती हैं. हम बोलते हैं. हम बोलती हैं. This is what This video tells about how we have to use hum in simple present tense. I hope everybody will understand. If you don't understand, kindly ask your doubts in the comment section. In the description, WhatsApp group link is there. Do share with your friends and ask your friends to join. My children's channel Pasamalargal link is there in the description. Kindly join. Namaste. Dhanyavad.